don't know if the oil did the front tires any good. This is a Linn plowing snow somewhere around Morris, I believe, but it's a very poor film, but I left it in anyway. Linn's used different kinds of snow plows on the front. This looks something like a Sergeant. They finally settled on Franks mostly. Linn invented a plow of his own. Linn's plow that he invented had a kind of a tiller up front that steered it through the snowbanks. These are 8mm movies of snow plowing up in Flag Creek, New York. Apparently one Linn behind another pushing. It looks to me like this road hasn't been plowed in a few days. What kind of tickled me is the fact that they have 10 men with shovels standing around. They really could move a huge pile of snow. I think it's about 1935. And a man by the name of Michaels was the road superintendent at that time. I hope they know where the road is. They were lucky they had a cab on the back so they didn't freeze to death. They have a little ballast in that one. There where your shovel